Next, arrange the following steps of constructions while constructing a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 3 cm from a point 10 cm away from the center of the circle. First, understand what have we to do. This is a circle of 3, then 10 cm away one point, and we have to draw tangents from this point to the circle. So first step will be what? First draw the circle, then this segment, and then the tangents, right? Let's check. First draw the circle, step 3 of radius 3. So 3, 3, 3, 3, everyone. Okay, all are there. Second, we have to draw the segment. See this, fifth. Take an external point P which is 10 centimeter away from its center, join OP. So this is second step. So 3, 5. Where do I have A and D? 3, 5. Okay. Then first and second it's given. So then what? First is what? Bisect the line segment OP and let the point of bisection be M. And what is second here? A gives 1 as the third step and D gives 2 as the third step. Taking point M as center. See here, can you get this step 2 as a third step? No. Why? Because taking point M up to the step number 5, we have not drawn anywhere M. So how will you get M? So that's why step 1 will be required, right? So step 1 is the correct option then. Then A is the correct option. It means the steps are 3, 5, 1, 2 and 4. Leave it in the exam, this much only. Don't go for further steps, okay? Problem is over here. So here basically what we have to do, after we draw this OP, bisect it. Bisect it using this compass, 2 arcs and all that system, okay? Bisect it. Once you bisect it, then draw a circle. This will touch P and O both, and it will cut this circle at these 2 points. Now draw an tangents from this P to these cut points over here and over here, and these are the tangents. That's the basic step. So logic is first circle, then 10 centimeters or 12, whatever is given. Then bisect this segment, draw the circle, it will cut and join these 2 points. Okay, that's the answer. So A is the correct answer. Next, arrange the following steps of construction while constructing a pair of tangents to a circle which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degrees to the circle of radius 3 centimeters. So what have we to do? See, there is a circle of 3 centimeter. We have to take some point outside and draw tangents so that the angle between the two tangents is 60 degrees. That's what our target is. So first will we draw the circle, then what? Take some point outside, right? So let's start. Draw a circle with center O and radius 3. 3 is correct option. Okay, 3 is there, 3 is there. So only A and B, right? C and D gone because they don't have 3 as the first step.